Kids artwork is my favorite, but what do you do with all of it? As soon as they're in grade school, so many papers come home. This magnetic board is a quick and easy way to display your favorite masterpieces and easily change them out. Welcome back, Remodelaholics, to our DIY channel. If you're new, please click subscribe to see new videos every week. Justin and I have two awesome girls in school, and they bring home the cutest artwork almost every day. Those papers really add up, so most of them get photographed or scanned, but some of them I just want to see every day because my girls' drawings are just so cute. Well, our contributor Emily from Table and Hearth had the same dilemma with all the cute work her son brings home from daycare. So she hit up her salvaged wood pile to make a beautiful rustic magnetic display board. So let's show you how you can make one for yourself. Start with a piece of metal sheeting cut to the size you'd like. Lay out boards wider than the width of the metal, then use a carpenter's square to mark the length and cut the boards. Cut each board using a miter saw or circular saw. Sand each board to smooth out any splinters. Now lay the metal sheet on top of the cut boards and trace the outline. Mark the locations of the pocket holes for joining the boards together at the top and bottom of each board. Drill out the pocket holes using a pocket hole jig. Then attach the boards together using pocket hole screws. Use a jigsaw to cut out the center about 2 inches from the traced edge of the metal sheet. Sand the edges nice and smooth, friendly for little fingers. Now apply a heavy-duty industrial adhesive to the back side of the frame, around the edge, then carefully lay the sheet metal on top of the adhesive. Then clamp everywhere you can around the edges and allow the adhesive to set. All you have left is to hang the magnetic board. Invite your little artists to add their favorite creations. Emily drilled an additional hole in each corner and used screws and washers for a rustic style hanging hardware. This magnetic board is so cute for a kid's room, but it would be a great addition to a kitchen or an office organizer too. Where would you use it? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to click subscribe below so you don't miss any new videos. Thanks for watching, guys. For more easy organizing ideas, watch here to build these dollar store farmhouse wall brackets and here for this hidden compartment coat rack. And we will see you later. Bye, guys.